Tired of multiple appliances cluttering your kitchen? Meet the Ninja Foodi Power Blender and Food Processor. This isn't just a blender. It's your all-in-one kitchen solution. Imagine effortlessly creating delicious smoothies, perfectly smooth nut butters, and precisely chopped veggies, all with one powerful machine. The Ninja Foodi boasts a 1,600-watt motor that crushes ice and frozen fruit without stalling, thanks to its smart torque technology. With 7 pre-programmed settings, including options for smoothies, bowls, and spreads, creating healthy meals is easier than ever. Plus, the included nutrient extraction cup ensures you get the most out of your ingredients. The enhanced processing lid with its feed chute and specialized discs lets you precisely shred, slice, and grate, eliminating the need for separate food processors. The dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Upgrade your kitchen today. Visit our product page to learn more and unleash the power of the Ninja Foodi Power Blender.